The dark colour shows the peaks, so you can see that as we move further away, you can detect the location. This is getting a lot of reflections off all of us at the moment, but you can see that you can do multiple target detection as well. You know, you can see that it's seeing me and it's seeing you as well. And so the device is got a microcontroller built in it, so all of the image processing, all of the data processing is done inside the chip, has a simple I2C interface to it. So you can, in its simplest form, it will detect where the first echo comes in, and will give you I think a 16-bit word that will give you the range of that in meters.
What is the accuracy?
About a sub-millimeter. So in the device that's a 1 meter range, it's about half a millimeter, and the 5 meter one is around about a millimeter.
That's good.